Hello guys, hello everyone. So let's start our lesson. This is like something unusual that you will hear. You probably heard about like turtle soup. You heard about strategy that ICT claims his strategy, but this strategy been on like for like a long time, and it includes like very simple like rules that you have to follow, and it included like three stages. So it's like accumulation, manipulation, and accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, right? So I personally find like 5 stages of this strategy and I will show you them today. So here you go, the great example on NQ. Like I open it here, I want to show you this was accumulation, this was manipulation that took liquidity, and distribution. Like we can separate like distribution phase for like 3 phases. So accumulation, manipulation, pump, test, and final distribution. You can find this type of like setups on like any time frames here in 1 minute, and best example I can find for you on daily time frame, it was this one. This one probably was the best example, and I will show you how to spot it. I will show you how to identify it and how to trade it. So here you have like accumulation, huge accumulation. This is manipulation, pump, test this move, and then we had distribution, final distribution. So let's start with it. I will explain everything, so don't worry. Let's go back to NQ because we have a nice example on NQ today. Okay, so let me open my notes and we're gonna start. Let me open my notes. So what is like turtle soup or SFP as I call it? Like what this is? It's just like pattern that usually in classic technical analysis you can call as a fake out, right? So here you go. This is, we have a shift. Let me mark it red color. No, not red. Turn off indicator so you can see. And here you go. This is called like SFP. This one, this entire move. And turtle soup is just like a setup when we have like 3 stages. Let me mark it as well. So we have some sort of accumulation, right? It's gonna be green, right? And accumulation. Then we have manipulation. This red candles that took out liquidity. This one. I'm gonna show you it closely. The most important part in manipulation is that it has to take out liquidity. Usually it's a time liquidity. Or like, yeah, usually time liquidity. It can be previous daily high, previous daily low, like any day levels. It can be like liquidity pools that been built like for like a long time, all this kind of stuff, right? Well, guys, like if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't hesitate to ask questions. And if you don't hear me well, also please write your questions down. And as always, this video gonna be recorded. So this is manipulation. This is gonna be like yellow, right? This is manipulation. Manipulation. And this one is distribution. Like here you can't identify like others, like other phases, like test, like pump, test, and then distribution, like examples that I showed you like on a euro. But set alert here. But the thing is, the main idea like of like this entire setup, let me check, it's gonna be like distribution, distribution. I hope I spell it correctly. Let it make it like this. Okay, so how to suppose this setup? This setup usually like appears when you have session sweeps. So when we're going from London session to New York session, and we have like some kind of news ahead. We have like new day opening. If here it's like 1 minute chart, it can be formed like pretty quick. But this type of setup you can see also on 1 hour, you can see it on a daily time frame, 4 hours, you can find it anywhere. The main idea of this setup is liquidity sweep. If you don't see liquidity sweep, you not enter. What like turtle soup in general? So like how why it calls like turtle soup? This one calls like SFP when we have liquidity sweep and then distribution. This is kind of fast execution, and you enter in here on liquidity sweep, like this one. You enter in here, you have manipulation, because if price will keep going lower, then it's over, and your target is at the nearest liquidity, in this case this one. As you can see, it's a 3.5 risk reward. It's already great profit from this trade. If we're talking about like turtle soup, with turtle soup you need double shift. You need to wait for double shift. If we open 4 hours on euro, and I just like best examples to show you guys. So here you go, we have a shift, right? So we have like a charge or shift to like also to understand the setup and understand the strategy. You have to perfectly know structure. You can check this lesson, it's in a class recordings section. You also have to understand premium discount, and you also have to understand liquidity. What is liquidity? Like liquidity sweeps, SFP in general. So SFP, like I'm going to talk about it today quite a lot. So this is like a mess, or like short, you can call it whatever you want. And this one is break of structure. So we already have a uptrend from a downtrend, right? So what do I want you to show here? Like when we're talking about like turtle soup, we need like, first of all, we need liquidity sweep, right? Did we have one? Yes. This was liquidity sweep, or SFP if we're going on a daily time frame. Price closed below, so this is not a real boss. This was liquidity sweep. After it, we need to see market shift, this one, pull back, and break of structure. So like your entry in this case is gonna be on a break of structure. If you want to play the safest options, usually it's gonna be like 1-to-1 trade, like 1-to-2. Like 1-to-2 best risk reward, by the way. So if you have like 1-to-2, already, don't try to hold position longer. Like 1 to 2, the best one, because you need to only be right only 33% of the time. With 1 to 3, it's 30%. With 1 to 4, 25%. So like the difference is not that big. Like, but also you can have like 3 entries, like 3 like possible entries here. Actually, like even 4. So possible entry, you identify that it was SFP because price like sweep the low and close inside. If we jump in on daily time frame, you will be able to see it. As you can see, yeah, see. Also, this it calls like pin bar. This is bars that close like it, or hammer if we're talking about classic technical analysis. When price closes like this. You can enter here aggressively. It allows you to have them the best risk reward as possible. The best one. Okay, 1 second. It's a phone. Oh, okay, this scammers. Okay, so as you can see, like with aggressive entry, you have a great risk reward. So I'm not saying this is right shit to do, but this is possible. Next entry, you're gonna have on market shift. It's a bit risky, your stop gonna be big, but in this case, at least you won't miss your like entry, right? You won't miss it. The safest option is entering on second breakout, this one. In this case, you this setup has around like 95% like win rate. I personally had around like 92% on my account when I've been trading only the strategy. So you're basically like waiting for second shift. It has to be also in a discount if we're talking about longs, in a premium if we're talking about shorts, and only then you're gonna enter. Another possible entry, a bit risky one because it can be manipulation or you can stuck in the range. It's entry on the test. It's what trade are you talking about? Just join. I'm talking about like setup in general, CRP. It will be recording, so you will be able to check. So don't worry about it at all. So another like possible entry you will be able to find here. And once again, SFP here, like small version of this entire like setup that we've been talking about. And price just took liquidity, tested this order block. And price pumped. The same idea that I showed like on the daily, but a bit like smaller version of it. Same SFP when we had liquidity, like it's a fake out, right? Okay, 1 sec. When we had a fake out and price like went up here. So it's quite simple. You're waiting for fake out. Examples. Let's just check more examples so you will get the idea. Here you go. SFP. You see, like here we didn't have test, so we had accumulation, then huge manipulation, and after it move upwards. It's a gold on 4 hours. Another example. You can call like this is as SFP. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's even gave a test here. Great example. You see, we didn't have a shift, and price like even went down to do a test here and potential like entry. So also there is like one more entry here with like stop like 13 and enter here. This is also possible. Do you understand the idea behind it? If not, I'll try to clarify. Daniel, Hita, did you understand like what I've been talking about? So here you have like three possible, like three or like even like 4 possible entries. First like entry gonna be here. Was this stop like $6 target weekly open 6.6 risk reward. Second entry on a breakthrough, a bit aggressive but also possible. Stop loss around like $15. It's like 1 to 2, but you have guarantee entry. This is the point. Second, like third entry, it's on the test here. My entry was 60.35. I have open position. Stop is here. This is where I entered. It's like 1 to 6, but the safest option. And last one, it's on a breakthrough here. At this one, stop gonna be at like $7 and target weekly open 1 to 4. The last two trades are the most like safest one. Hello, Wayne. Hello. Okay. So as you can see, like possibilities of like entries is just like enormous. It just you have to identify this like setup like properly. If you're talking about this one is like from the book. Like you have accumulation, right? Accumulation. This one. Then we have manipulation. This one. That took liquidity. Then we have pump. Fourth stage is test. Usually test on some like fair value gap, some order block. Like in this case it was fair value gap here, this one. Let's hide indicator. And huge order block on like 1 hour. This one. Test. I will mark everything so it will be seen clearer. And then we have distribution. Distribution. Accumulation phase till dump. Let's call it this one. Then we have dump, which is like manipulation. It will be orange, right? Accumulation. Then we have pump phase. It can be with test, it can be without test, but I don't see it. This one. Then we select test phase. It's usually extremely fast, and we're testing like some areas that have been left behind. Just like let's let it be yellow. And after it, distribution phase, it usually like double of what has been accumulated here. So in my opinion, we will get this area like pretty soon. This is gonna be like distribution area. How long it will be, I have no idea, but no, not be green, let it be. Something like this. So there's like 5 stages you have to like remember and have to identify. The most importantly, like I said, it's manipulation phase. Manipulation phase is everything. It also calls SFP. This is just like one big part that you have to know. If you can identify it, if you can spot it, then great. It will be easier for you like to trade and make profit out of it. It's must have for swing trading, because this accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phases are probably the most important when you're trading for a very long time, or at least if you also add daily open, weekly open, monthly open understanding to it, it will help you identify what you did, like what price did and where we're heading. So like majority of the people, when they saw this like test phase, they saw it wrong and they saw that gold will go down and they cut their positions. People who like understand this concept, understand like how price works and what is what on the market, and how price will be delivered to liquidity like area with a lot of liquidity. This is these people will catch a really nice move. So like I had like 2 entries on this trade. My first entry was at 58 here. I entered, and second entry was here. So I took like this move, and I'm still in the trade all the way till 406. Pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'll be happy to help. If you don't have any questions, like, stream will be over, and we're gonna see each other. Very interesting setup here right now. 1 sec. You can spot it as like turtle soup as well. Look at this. So we have accumulation, manipulation, and if price will close below, it will go all the way down till this area at least. Hello, Chess. He missed such a great like trade. Whole explanation, you missed it. But you like a guy because we have this classic order. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.